Hello everybody and welcome to Dikshu Diary Vlogs. I'm Dikshita and today I will be making pineapple custard. This recipe is very simple to make and this dessert is always perfect for celebrations and parties. It doesn't require any cooking or baking, just mixing. Most of the part is just mixing. For this recipe we will need 1 bottle of whipped cream, 14 ounces of condensed milk, 16 ounces of sour cream, 1 can of crushed pineapple, and 1 can of tidbits pineapple. And the best part is you don't have to cook or roast, and you don't have to chop any pineapples. So here I have a mixing bowl and this, what do you call this, spatula? So here I have a mixing bowl with a spoon. First, I'll take my 16 ounces of sour cream. Next, I have my 14 ounces of condensed milk. Pour all of it in. Next, I will be pouring in my crushed pineapple. All of it. Now I will be pouring in my tidbits. So now the last part, we are going to be adding whipped cream. Topping, you can add chopped nuts or you can add fruits. I decided chopped nuts. My chopped nuts are walnuts and almonds. So I'm going to transfer a portion of this mixture into another bowl. Our custard is all ready, and now I'm going to decorate it. Right now I have some pomegranates and I'm just going to sprinkle it on top. This is optional, and if you decide to do this, you can use any fruit you want. And any fruit of your choice. This kind of looks like red velvet toppings. So our pineapple custard is all done. It was very simple to make and it's also pretty fun to make too. I say that. And this will be a very delicious party hit. So do try it out for any parties or celebrations you have and enjoy. So my chopped nuts are walnuts. Oopsies.